You already know what time it is, boy. Got the blueberries, the mangoes for the smoothie with the yogurt, boy. And we got the buttered bread for the the turkey burger and the turkey hot dog, you feel me? With the vegan butter. They go the turkey burger. Yeah, the turkey hot dog, boy. And we was just fasting, boy. This how we coming off the fast. Yeah, we started with the yogurt, you feel me? Time to put some blueberries in that bud, you feel? Blueberries in that bud. Woo! Wow! Wow! Yeah, we got the mangoes, boy. These don't stuck together. We gotta squish these motherfuckers. And then pour it in. Woo! Whoa! And then we cut. Wait, where's the cover at? What the? Nah, we gonna have to innovate, bro. It's the ghetto out here, bro. You think that's gonna do? I don't think so. This? Oh, hell no. Oh, yeah. Flat top, you feel me? Oh, this is it. Now that we got the top, you feel me? Oh, damn. Well, I was about to start that, but we can put this in that joint, you feel me? Oh. Oh, damn, my man's steaming. My man's blinging. My man. Ah! Get this out the way, you feel me? Get this out. And we just gonna put it on the top, you feel me? Just put it up in there. Just put it up in there, you feel me? We just gonna put that joint on low, boy. Feel me? Now back to this bitch. God damn, that joint's sexy. Let's check on all the bread. You feel me? Ooh, that joint looking good, baby. Ooh, yeah, that's it. That's it right there. You know, we had to get the snow bunnies out. You feel me? You already know them snow bunnies like it thick and long. You feel me? Let's pour this out real quick. Oh, this joint fit, boy. Ooh. Ooh. Yup, you already know what time it is. God damn, boy, you taking breaks, boy. You already know. None of y'all know about this game, boy. What you know about that fusion frenzy, boy? What you know about this good food, boy? What you know about this good smoothie, boy?